First step, you gotta check if your internet connection is fast or not. Sometimes it's a problem with the net which causes the transaction to be pending. So make sure you have a working internet connection. Not working, make sure you have a fast internet connection which works properly, alright? And even after having that, if it still causes the problem, then the last way to fix it is to delete your Trust Wallet, reinstall it again. After you do that, you need to re-log in into your Trust Wallet again. And when you're deleting your Trust Wallet, make sure you remember the 12-word recovery phrase of your Trust Wallet. Otherwise, your wallet is going to be lost. And how you guys can see your 12-word recovery phrase is, so go on settings, go on wallet, and click on this eye looking icon right beside your main wallet. And click on show secret phrase. And then click on where it says, all this tick mark it, continue. And it's going to show you this phrase. So after you see the phrase, don't share it with anyone, alright? Your wallet might get hacked. Once you see this phrase, basically what you want to do is delete your Trust Wallet and then log in into your account again after installing your Trust Wallet. And once you delete your Trust Wallet, your transaction is going to be cancelled. What you need to do is do that transaction again, and this time it should work.